Hey guys, it's Billy Bob Joe 1357, and the last part of my video sort of cut off. I'm not sure where it cut off, because I'm not really sure where it did, but it might have cut off a while ago. But just to recap, I got a Regigigas EX in the first part, Bisharp Hollow, Zapdos Hollow, Gardevoir Hollow, and Arcanine Hollow. That's just a little recap if you missed it, and if it wasn't on. So yeah, now it's the next 10 packs. This was an awesome box to open. That's very awesome. Hoping for a full art or a Groudon EX, or just something that awesome. If anyone wants to trade a Groudon EX for my Regigigas if I don't pull one, then yes, I will. Because I really want Groudon. That's like one of my favorite Pokemon, like of all time. Oh jeez. And the funny thing was, I got the EX right out of the last pack of the first part, which was freaking epic. So, Doug, yeah. Can't get this. Oh, there we go, finally. My camera's sort of running out of battery now, so I'm gonna have to stop it in a minute. So this is gonna be part. If I get I'll probably cut this part out and not just not upload it unless I get an EX, which I think I did. Hippopotas, Jigglypuff. I think there's a full art. Deerling, Kyurem EX full art. That's insane. That's just insane. And Lilligant. That's insane. That's freaking insane. No, I have time. Now I have time. That's freaking insane. That's insane. That's insane. That's very nice. So, it turns out I'm not going to end this video right now. I might have a little bit of battery left. If it goes off by itself, then I'll end it. But right now I have battery. So I'll just open it. And this is an HD camera, so the uploads take forever. So I'm gonna try not to make it too long. So hopefully I get more ultra rares. That was a very nice pull. Wigglytuff, Growlithe, Cubchoo, Double Colorless Energy, Bronzong. That was an okay pack. If you heard that ding, that was my laptop. Probably out of battery. Running out of battery or something like that. Jesus, this thing won't open. Won't open. Open. And I think I opened it. That's cool. Pikachu. That's a stinking awesome Pikachu. Sneasel. Hippopotas. Ooh, Chandelier Hollow. I don't have that yet. And a Beartic. It's nice. Yeah. So I don't have that hollow yet. I'm actually not that surprised now that people can actually complete the set in 20 packs. Cause to me this set only has 52 cards, and there's 20 packs, 5 cards in each pack. Just 10 packs. If you get all different cards, you'll be able to complete the set. Chubchoo, Wigglytuff, Elgyem, Lucario Hollow. Oh, that's nice. And the Heavy Ball. I think I'm almost done with the hollows. Like, I think I've almost completed the hollow part. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more packs left of this box, which is kind of sad. It was nice while it lasted. First booster box is always the best, right? Still got that chance for the Groudon EX though, and hopefully, or shiny. Shiny would be nice. Litwick, Pidove, Petlil, Lilligant, Weavile, Coke, and a little card. So I'm getting pretty good pulls out of this booster box. Then I'll do the recap after I finish opening all these packs. Just a quick 2-part booster box opening. Another hollow, no. Riolu, Litwick, Oh wait, no, why did I say Litwick? This is Vanillite. Pansage, Lapras, Heavy Ball, information card. So that's sort of nice. Oops, sorry about that. Oh god. These packs are really hard to open. Anything hollow? I think it's an art. Oh no, I'm not done with the hollows. Yeah, I still have 2 more, I think. What's this guy's name? I just kind of zoned out. Brain fart. Panyard. Lampen. Curlia. No, this isn't Articuno. I wish it was. Yeah, so then I have 2 more left. Vanillix. So, yep. Da-na-na-na-na-na. 3 more packs left. Still hoping for that Groudon EX. It could come. It could come. Don't you doubt. Don't you dare doubt about it. Don't you dare doubt. But I still did get a full art pull with that of... That's still freaking awesome. Growlithe. Fungus. Tranquil. That guy. No, this is like some dude. And Sage. Oh, not that good pulls out of that pack. Come on. Second to last pack. Hopefully it's like the first part where I got that awesome pull. Anything? Oh, yep. I think I got what I wanted. Ralts, Darumaka, Bronzor, and Groudon EX. You can see the... Yeah, you could see the shining off of it. That is an amazing card. Now I have 2 of them because I'm getting one in a trade. That's exactly what I wanted. And Amoonguss. Now I just need the full art in 1 pack. I really wanted the full art the most. Part of Groudon, the Groudon full art. That would have been nice. But still, nice pulls. Come on, full art. And I did not get it. Maybe it's a shiny. Here, Deerling, yeah, Jigglypuff, this guy, Behemoth, and Beartic. So pretty awesome pulls overall, I have to say. First, let me just sleeve it. Then the nice Groudon EX banana. This is a very nice pull. Very awesome. A Vanillux holo. This is very nice. Sadly, no shiny card. Nope. Wasn't able to pull one. Lucario holo. Wait, which way does this thing open? Okay, there we go. It's a cool holo. And Chandelure holo. Let me just plug this in. My chest is starting to hurt because I'm laying down doing this. And a Kyurem full art EX. That's a very nice secret rare. There are a couple secret rares in this set. That is very nice pulls. Overall, I say it was epic. Let me just quick zoom out. Yeah, that was a very amazing pulls. Stay tuned for more videos. I might be getting Psycho Drive later on. And this was first edition, so this was nice. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.